My name is Abu Talha. Our project name is Sibi Cafe. We have three members. One name is Uthman, Asjad, Temur, and Abu Talha. Sibi Cafe is a cyber cafe in Sibi, Balochistan, Pakistan. This is the location of Sibi Cafe. It's offer customer internet access, devices, and variety of online service. Additionally, the cafe provide a comfortable setting for customer to socialize, work, study, and entertainment. Charging station. Sebi Cafe understand the importance of keeping devices charged. They provide charging station or outlets where customer can conveniently charge their smartphones, laptops, or other electronic devices. Wi-Fi connectivity. Along with internet access, Sebi Cafe ensure a stable and high-speed Wi-Fi connection and enabling customers to browse the internet, stream videos, communicate with others, and access online service seamlessly. Printing and scanning service. Sebi Cafe offers printing and scanning, allowing customers to print documents, make copies, or scan important files. This service is particularly beneficial for students or professionals who require hard copies of their work.
Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. I'm Uthman. I will cover the proposed hardware and software for the cafe. For the given size, we believe allocating a 5-computer system ranging at $350 would be optimal, as well as routers and switches. Routers being at $75 and switches being at $100. They would be necessary to creating a network system between all 5 devices, as well as an operating system to control the given network. The cost for the average operating system would be $100 per device. We would also need cables and printers. Cables would be needed to connect all 5 devices to the switch and the routers, as well as printers for the average use of the average customer. The accumulated price for all systems would be the total price for all 5 systems would be $2,502. That's for all 5 devices. Now moving on to location. So for location, we believe that establishing the shop in a growing area like Sibi, Pakistan, will significantly contribute to the success and growth of the cyber cafe. The region expanding population and increasing demand for internet services creates a promising market to our cyber cafe. Additionally, our cafe will serve as a valuable community hub, offering residents a modern and accessible space for socializing, working, and studying, which in turn will foster customer loyalty and drive business growth. Now moving on to target market. So the average target market for cyber cafe would be teenagers to young adults. The target market covers teenagers to young adults and primarily encompasses students, professionals, and local residents who require reliable internet access. Additionally, the cafe will cater to gamers and individuals lacking internet access at home.
Assalamu alaikum. I'm going to cover network topology, design, and IP addressing. For this, we are going to use a star topology design. The network will be based on star topology, with a central route connecting all the computers. This setup is ideal for cyber cafe. Star topology is a type of network in which devices are linked to a central hub, node, switch, or a computer. The central node functions as a server while the other devices as clients. Within this structure, devices communicate by sending the messages to this central node, then forward the message to the other devices. The communication media will consist of Ethernet cables connecting the computers to the router and Wi-Fi for the customers who bring their own devices. The advantage of star topology is that every device has its own dedicated link to the central hub, ensuring re- ensuring reliable performance and reducing potential disruptions. The advantage of star topology is that every device has its own dedicated link. This ensures no interruptions, and if a failure occurs, you don't have to take down all of the network. The other advantage of star topology is that the centralized hub or switch facilitates an implementation of security measures and monitoring of the network traffic, resulting in improved security. Access control and security policies can be centrally administered all over the network. Centralized administration. In star topology, each device directly links to the central switch, simplifying the network management and troubleshooting any other issues with individual devices that can be linked. Any issues with the individual device can be quickly identified and resolved without disrupting the whole network. Next is IP addressing. To efficiently manage the IP addressing within the internal network of cybercafe, few steps should be taken, like the IP range. Allocating a range for the IP addresses for the internal network. Next is subnet, mask, and gateways. We need to define appropriate subnet mask and gateways to efficiently manage segment traffic. This will optimize network performance and security by organizing devices into local groups. We have to assign static IP addresses to essential network hardware such as the router. This ensures uninterrupted connectivity and consistency. Next, we have to set up a DHCP server. This will dynamically assign IP addresses to the devices so we don't have to configure them manually. Network documentation. This will come in handy if we need to troubleshoot, expand the network, or future maintenance.
Types of internet access. For internet access, this cyber cafe will utilize high-speed fiber internet connection such as Unifiber to provide fast and reliable internet access for customer. This type of connection is ideal for cyber cafe as it can support multiple users streaming, gaming, and browsing the internet